Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the FLABOX Torch Lighter. Now, if you haven't already checked out my previous cigar torch lighters, I will be leaving it at the end of this video, so make sure you stay till the end. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the packaging, the design and the features, the performance, and then finally my overall thoughts. So pretty much, let's get into the video. So packaging, pretty simple, but it's actually very good looking. It actually gives it a little kind of a luxury look to it, which I think looks pretty cool. You know, you have the hard black box, and then you have this, so they have this plated brand on the box, which makes it look a little more expensive, and then the soft material on the outside, and then finally the lighter right in the middle. So here's the lighter. So this particular lighter does come in 3 different colorways. They come in the full silver, they come in the gunmetal, as well as this one that you have in front of you, which is the black with the orange fuel window. And honestly, I haven't found another lighter that looks like this at all, so this is definitely a unique colorway. So I already opened it and filled it up, and I have been using it for the past few days, and honestly I have to say I really like this lighter. Not only the very sleek dark colorway, but the fact that it also has a hole punch makes this lighter very versatile. And as you can see, it's not a small hole punch. Usually a lot of lighters have a very small hole punch. This one is definitely a lot bigger. I will be leaving the exact measurements to this hole punch in the description below, so make sure you check it out. But definitely a plus. Finally, we go to the top, and you do have a double cigar holder. So, you know, this is very simple to do, but a lot of companies don't do this. They just pretty much put a single one, and having a double just makes it way better. And then we have a quad torch lighter. So unlike many, you know, you have triple, double, single. With this quad, you can definitely guarantee that it's gonna light every single time, no matter what. Whether you're outside, whether you're in the wind, quad torch will pretty much always light, as you can see. Now right now I do have the flame pretty low, but as you can see, it's very consistent, very powerful, and it always lights. So if you're in the market for a good consistent lighter that always works, this is definitely a very good option. Also, the fact that it has a pretty big hole punch makes it a little more versatile for your bigger cigar gauges. And like I said, overall, this is a great torch that's very different. And I do think that the black colorway is the best one out of all 3 because it does have that orange contrast. Overall, if you're interested in this lighter, I will be leaving a link in the description below. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.